Why predictable earnings are suddenly worth a premium again reflects a deep change in how Wall Street and corporate America think about risk, confidence, and value. This shift didn't happen because investors got bored or conservative overnight. It happened because unpredictability has become expensive, and predictability has become rare. For years, markets rewarded upside potential. Fast growth, bold strategies, and aggressive expansion were celebrated, even when earnings were volatile. As long as the long-term story sounded compelling, short-term inconsistency was tolerated. In some cases, it was even encouraged. That mindset no longer dominates in 2026. Today, predictable earnings are being valued not just as a sign of stability, but as a strategic asset. Investors are paying a premium for companies that can deliver consistent results quarter after quarter, even if those results aren't spectacular. The reason starts with uncertainty. Demand patterns are less reliable. Customer behavior shifts faster. Costs move unpredictably. Policy, rates, and global conditions change with little warning. In that environment, earnings volatility doesn't just reflect risk, it creates it. When earnings are unpredictable, everything else becomes harder. Forecasting breaks down. Capital planning becomes guesswork. Hiring decisions get delayed or reversed. Management teams are forced into reactive mode. Predictable earnings eliminate a large portion of that chaos. From an investor's perspective, predictable earnings make companies easier to value. When analysts can model future cash flows with confidence, they don't need to build in large risk premiums. That alone increases valuation multiples. In contrast, companies with volatile earnings require wider assumptions. Best-case scenarios look attractive, but worst-case scenarios look dangerous. Markets price that uncertainty aggressively. This is why two companies with similar average earnings can trade at very different valuations. The one with smoother, more predictable performance often commands a higher multiple, even if growth is slower. Another reason predictable earnings are worth more now is how capital markets have changed. With higher sensitivity to interest rates and liquidity conditions, investors care deeply about downside protection. Predictable earnings reduce the probability of sudden shocks. They signal that a company understands its business, its customers, and its cost structure. That signal matters more than optimism. There's also fatigue at play. Over the past several years, investors have been whiplashed by guidance changes, earnings misses, and sudden strategy pivots. Many companies overpromised during periods of strong demand, and then struggled when conditions normalized. That pattern eroded trust. Predictable earnings rebuild trust by doing something simple but powerful. Meeting expectations consistently, not exceeding them dramatically, not missing them, just delivering what was promised. In 2026, consistency beats surprise. Corporate behavior reflects this shift. Companies are guiding more conservatively, narrowing forecast ranges, and emphasizing stability over upside. This isn't because executives lack ambition. It's because they understand how punishing volatility has become. Missing earnings, even slightly, now carries outsized consequences. Stock prices react sharply. Confidence erodes. Credibility takes time to rebuild. As a result, management teams are designing strategies that prioritize earnings visibility. Recurring revenue models, long-term contracts, subscription pricing, predictable cost structures. All of these reduce variability. Even companies in cyclical industries are working to smooth earnings through hedging, diversification, and cost discipline. The goal isn't to eliminate cycles entirely. It's to reduce their impact on reported results. Cash flow plays a central role here. Predictable earnings usually align with predictable cash generation. That allows companies to plan dividends, buybacks, debt reduction, and reinvestment more confidently. In uncertain markets, that confidence is valuable. Investors also care about how predictable earnings affect optionality. Companies with stable earnings can afford to wait. They don't need to chase risky growth to justify their valuation. They can invest selectively when opportunities make sense. Companies with volatile earnings don't have that luxury. They're under constant pressure to prove momentum, which often leads to poor decisions. Predictability creates strategic freedom. Another reason predictable earnings are being rewarded again is institutional behavior. Large funds prefer stability. They need to manage risk across massive portfolios. predictable earnings reduce portfolio volatility and make allocation decisions easier. When uncertainty rises, capital flows toward companies that won't force sudden reallocations. That steady demand supports higher valuations. There's also a behavioral component. Markets dislike ambiguity more than bad news. A clear, stable earnings profile allows investors to sleep at night. Uncertainty, even with upside potential, creates anxiety. In 2026, anxiety is expensive. Technology has also raised expectations. With better data, analytics, and AI-driven forecasting, investors assume companies should have more control over their performance. When earnings are erratic, it's less likely to be excused as bad luck. Predictable earnings are seen as proof that management systems work. This doesn't mean innovation is dead. It means innovation must be disciplined. New initiatives are expected to contribute to stability, not disrupt it. Growth that increases earnings volatility is viewed skeptically. Even high-growth companies are adjusting. Many are slowing expansion, tightening cost controls, and focusing on unit economics to improve predictability. They understand that markets are no longer rewarding ambition without reliability. Another subtle factor is how predictable earnings affect internal decision-making. Stable earnings reduce stress inside organizations. Teams can plan confidently. Resources are allocated rationally. Firefighting decreases. That operational calm improves performance over time, reinforcing predictability. It becomes a virtuous cycle. This is why predictable earnings often signal long-term strength, not stagnation. Many boring companies quietly compound value through steady pricing, margin discipline, and consistent execution. Over years, that compounding rivals or exceeds the returns of flashier, more volatile businesses. Why predictable earnings are suddenly worth a premium again comes down to one truth. Volatility has revealed its cost. In a world full of unknowns, companies that reduce uncertainty stand out. They don't promise everything, they deliver what they say they will. Markets aren't rejecting growth, they're demanding reliability. Predictable earnings represent trust, control, and resilience. They allow investors to model the future, management to plan responsibly, and businesses to operate without constant disruption. In 2026, those qualities aren't boring, they're scarce. And when something becomes scarce, the market pays up for it. That's why predictable earnings are once again commanding a premium, and why companies that can deliver them quietly sit at the top of investor wish lists.